Hey there, everybody. It's Ashley, and welcome to part 1 of my new series covering the most common Chinese characters. Each video will introduce you to 25 new characters presented in the order of their popularity. You'll learn the most common pronunciation and any applicable variants. The character's radical is included, as well as stroke order animations for both the simplified and traditional versions of each character. Now, let's get started. De, possessive particle used after an attribute, used to form a nominal expression, and also used at the end of a declarative sentence for emphasis. One. 是, to be. Bu, not. Le, verb particle marking a new situation or a completed action. Ren, person. 我, I, me, my. Sai, located at, to exist. Yo, have, there is. Ta, he, him, also used for either sex when sex is unknown or not important. Je, this. Zhong, middle, center, among. Da, big, huge. Lai, to come, to arrive. Shang, on top, above, upon. Guo, country, state, nation, family name. Ge, general and non-specific classifier. Dao, to, towards, until, arrive, reach. Shuo, to speak, to say, explain, or scold. Men, plural marker for pronouns and nouns referring to individuals. 为, because of, for, to. 子, child or son. 和, and, together, with, family name. Also refers to Japanese food, clothing, etc. 你, you, informal. 的, similar to the ly in English, structural particle used before an adjective linking it to the preceding modifying adverbial adjunct. That's it for part 1. If I get enough interest in these videos, I plan to continue them until we reach 3,000 most common Chinese characters. Yes, you heard right, 3,000. So boop that like button, and I'm also open to constructive criticism. Let me know what you think about these videos, what you'd like to see change, etc., and I'll take everything into consideration. That's all for now. See you next time.